Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make strawberry banana bread. This recipe is so delicious. If you love strawberries and you love banana bread, this recipe is for you. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and line your bread pan. I'm using parchment paper for mine, but you can also spray your pan with some cooking spray and that would work as well. Now, after you're done with that, go ahead and set this aside. In a medium bowl, add your flour, add your salt, and baking soda, and give that a whisk. After you're done with your flour, go ahead and add your butter into a large bowl and melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After your butter has reached room temperature, go in with your sugar. Whisk them together, just like so. Now add your yogurt, add your eggs, and your bananas. After adding in your bananas, go ahead and give that a good whisk. Just like so, this looks really good. Just make sure that everything is well combined. Now add in your vanilla. Give that a good whisk. Now slowly add in your flour to the wet ingredients. We're just going to fold that in and just make sure that you do not overwork the flour when mixing the flour with the wet ingredients. Just like so, go in with your strawberries. And fold them in. As you can see, this is like a thick batter, and this is exactly what we're going for because once the strawberries start baking, it will release some liquid and this bread will be perfect. Now go ahead and pour that batter into your pan. And just make sure that you spread that batter evenly. Just like so. Now stick it in the oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until the toothpick come out clean. After 60 minutes, my bread is out of the oven. I like to go in with a toothpick and just stick it in there just to make sure that it is done. And as you can see, now I'm going to allow this to cool completely before cutting into it. Hello guys, so my strawberry banana bread is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And my house smells so delicious. I love this bread. You can serve it as is, or you can serve it with some Cool Whip on top for breakfast. It is just so delicious, guys. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.